Different regions have produced great preachers of cuisine. Food is the religion of the world. It's the way that we honor our ancestors and tell the stories of our families. It's those who add a little bit of spice in my community that makes it our soul food. Part of my soul food is peaches. Once you bite into a peach and the juice runs down your chin, you'll know exactly what I mean. Peaches are the fruit of the South. I knew I had to put them in the relish because I wanted to tame the spice of the sausage just a little bit. How many biscuit recipes do you have?
I have a lot.
Biscuits and sausage, my grandmother would make all the time. They were always sitting on the stove. It's easy to put soul in your food when you give ingredients everything you got. What makes ERIKA the queen of biscuits is her absolute Midas touch. It blows me away how gentle she is with the dough. Soul food is about love. It's the general aspect of giving and sharing great ideas at the table. You know, the gospel of food is about how we get people to come together. And it's really about those delicious bites that celebrates each breath that we have.